Hey you, yes you with the fine. Yes you who didn't know you had a fine. Yes you who knew you had a fine. Yes you that need to know how to pay that fine. I'm here. This is me, Akila James. I'll be showing you how to pay a fine on an ITF tennis tournament. Stay tuned. Don't forget to click that notification bell. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share with all your friends and family. Spread the word, spread the knowledge, spread the love. Let's jump right into this video. So as you know, I'm a professional tennis player and I play ITF tennis tournaments. All the time we get tons of fines. Why? Because we don't pay things on time, or because we make crazy decisions, or even emergency decisions. Well, I'm here to show you, hey, don't panic. Just pull out that credit card. Or pull out that debit card rather. Sometimes you get fines because you pull out of tournaments too late and you miss the deadline. So you get 3 freebies for your late pullouts in any tournament. You only get 3. So if you missed the opportunity and you used all your 3, you're going to have to pay a fine unless you have a very, very good reason or a very, very good excuse. I am here to show you what to do. Firstly, when you get a fine, you might not know it immediately from the ITF website, but one thing you will get is an email. So whatever email address you are registered to, it'll just be shown to you like so. It'll show you your code of conduct, how much is your violation, and pay it. It's gonna tell you to pay it. That's what it wants you to do. It wants you to pay. My fine specifically is $75. Not too bad. I just pulled out late to a tournament. If something comes up, if you're not ready to go to a tournament, if you feel like the place is unsafe, whatever your reason is, you gotta pull out. Let me show you on the computer, step by step, what to do. So the first thing you're gonna do is open up a web server. Then you're gonna tap here on the search engine and put in IPIN. Mine is already saved, so all is well. Boom, I already have my information saved, right? So I'm just tapping here. I sign in. So you're gonna go all the way to the left where it says code of conduct, where my thing is shown. You're gonna press that. It's going to be loading. Hopefully you only have 1 fine like me and you don't have a whole bunch of fines. Mine says you have 1 outstanding code of conduct fines. You want to pay all, select and pay. I have 1, so I just press pay all. $75, pay now. Everything is loading. Now everything is loading, so I'm just gonna wait until the computer loads properly. And it's loading, look. So it's gonna show you this. It shows you IPIN World Pay. It'll give you the $75, and you scroll down and you pay Visa, MasterCard, Amex, PayPal, JCB. You click whichever one. They even have Google Pay. You could pay with Google Pay. But for me, I'll pay with one of the credit cards down here. I won't show you that part, but I will show you when it's finished. So I can show you the ending page. I gotta find my credit card. So I'm going into my wallet. Cute wallet, by the way, right? Look. I am going to do what? Pay my bill. So I select whatever card I have. So I personally have a... I'm not gonna tell you. So it's gonna look like this. Put in your information. Card number, my name, or if someone is paying it for you. In this case, I am paying it for myself. So I would put my name. Then I'll press make a payment. And sometimes, depending on your credit card, it will send you a text message to verify it's you, because there's so many crazy things out here in the world. So in this case, my credit card does do this, so I'm going to look at my phone now and put in the code or the PIN. I just put in the PIN, put in the code, and it's now going to show you this. So it'll show you this where it says your code of conduct fine payment for the IPIN Players portal has been successful. You will soon receive an email confirming your payment is complete. The payment of $75 was authorized and your payment reference is blah 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 blah. And then you're done. So you want to double check. You go back into IPIN, you go back to Code of Conduct. I'm gonna show you, and right now it should show you what? 0. 0 should be your outstanding number. After you completed all of the information that I just gave you, your outstanding charges should be 0 when it's finished. Right now my phone is lighting up showing me a IPIN confirmation, a transaction has been made, you have paid. This is not a tax receipt, this is just a receipt of your violation and for what tournament you pulled out of and what day. It'll give you all your address and everything, so I'm not going to show you that, but that's what it will show you. Now you have a clean slate, people, and what? Now you don't got to worry about a fine. So you don't have to worry about, oh gosh, because this can happen if you have a fine and you don't pay it. You can go to a tournament, do very well in the tournament, or let's say you did just good enough and that money that you're going to use for the tournament you are going to use to pay your room fee. So because you have a fine, they could take that money rather so that you don't have any money. You'll probably be left with like 50 cents or like $1. So you don't want that to happen because you never know what can happen in a foreign country, and as we know, cash is better. Cash is better in a foreign country. I'm going to Mexico, so we work with pesos, but at the tournaments usually they work with dollars or euros. So you actually want to keep that money, whether you want to pay your room fee or you want to pay for something to eat or you want to pay for water or whatever it is you really want to pay for. So please pay your fines before you get to a tournament so they don't take your money, okay? Because it's just so unnecessary and you don't need that kind of hassle on your hand. Go out there to your tournaments and only think about your tennis now. Don't think about your fines, don't think about what you don't have. Think about what? The next ball. Make sure you get that next ball over the net. That's all you gotta be thinking about, taking it easy. And on your off day, go to the beach, have a burger and fries. So guys, thank you so much again for watching my video. You already know I love you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching me over and over and over. So thanks, 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 and thanks, and thanks. Thanks. You watched this far of the video, so I want to tell you right now, I'm kind of changing up the days in which I post. So if you see that I'm posting sporadically, don't worry. I am going to regulate all of that soon. I'm taking my time, but yet not trying to omit how many days I post, but the days are all over the place. So usually I post Wednesdays and Saturdays, but now I'm looking to post Mondays and Saturdays, I believe it is. So because you guys are on those times and you guys love to watch me at those times, thank you so much that I'm even able to see that information on YouTube. So that means we're going in the right direction. I want to change it up. So I want to give you what you want. That's what you want. I'm going to give it to you. So thanks again, and thanks again. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. See ya!